Hey, people, it's Ray on my road tours. It's that time. It's February 20th, and as agreed upon, today we will be having a drawing for not one, but two GoPro Hero 5 sessions. If you notice, the video was non-viewable. I had a whole lot of stuff pop up today, so I wasn't sure when I'd be able to do the drawing, so I made it private, because like I said, I would cap the comments and entries for today, the 20th here. So wasn't sure how to quite, off the top of my head, just close the comment section, so I went ahead and made it private. So anyhow, it's up running now, and we're going to have our drawings. And like I said, got not one, but two ready to go home. Hopefully somebody takes these, because I'm getting some ideals here, folks. I'm not even joking. So got my pen, my pad. I'm literally going to put someone's name on each one of these, and you have 48 hours to let me know. There's only 32 of you, so if the first two don't get in touch with me in 48 hours, I go to the next two. Hey, the odds are in my favor here, so let's get started here. Actually, the odds are in your favor. They're only 32. That's like 1 in 16. Got 365 subs. I mean, it could be 150, 160, something like that. So, just kind of show you what I got going on here. This is a YouTube brand. Hopefully you can read this out on here. YouTube random comment picker. This program will randomly pick a comment from the URL you give it, YouTube channel URL. Alright, so go back over here, copy the URL, come back over to this side here. Alrighty, then we're going to click on this load comments. Tells us we have an available 32 comments. Now you do have options. You have pick the most liked recent comment or randomly picked winner. We're going to go with the randomly picked winner. And drum rolls. And the first winner is Kaydrah Communications Wanderlust. Kaydrah says here in the comments, I've been a sub for a while. Just dropped by to watch ID 10. That's interesting drivers videos. I do those in my spare time. I always run a dash cam. You just never know what you're going to run across. Can't always be out on the road traveling, so I found them entertaining. Anyways, that's what the ID number 10 means, and found this video as well. Advanced congrats to the winners, whoever he or she may be. Well, congratulations to yourself, Kaydrah. You just won. So, moving on here. Make sure I'm recopying it here. And then, well, heck, where's the, that's not it. Where's my, oh, okay, there it is. So, where do you put the, URL? Alright. So confused. Alright, loading the comments again. Here we go. One more time. Randomly picked winner is Miquel Rodriguez. Thanks for the videos. They help us choose which roads to take on our travels to experience the wonderful country we have. It is a wonderful country. All of them are wonderful. I mean, there's a lot of beautiful landscapes out there. A lot of beautiful highways, that's for sure. Alrighty. Well, there we go, man. Gotta write this down here. Alrighty, kind of got messed up a little bit there. We ended up, apologize for that, but we ended up selecting an individual that, for whatever reasons, decided to unsubscribe or was not a subscriber and just commented. I'm not entirely sure what happened there, but anyhow, so got the video going and had to stop and kind of start all over, or at least redo parts of it. So that's why it's kind of spliced together, if you will. Anyhow, these are our winners here. Hopefully you can make that out there. Hang on a sec. Let me push this back here some. I was trying to get close enough to where you could hopefully make out what was in the deal there. But anyhow, there's our two winners, Miquel Rodriguez and Kaydrah Communications Wanderlust. So you guys, or guys and girls, have 48 hours to get in touch with me, or we'll have another drawing. So anyhow, I got these set here with your names on it, just waiting to go. Put these there out of my sight. I might get ideas and start trying to, I like GoPros, I like putting them everywhere, so you even gotta make sure they're out of my hands. Okay, so that's the drawing. I thank everybody for your participation. I know this is a giveaway video, but thanks for watching anyways. Hope everybody had fun. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Hopefully we can have some more of these in the future. If you liked the video, I know it's a giveaway video, but go ahead and hit the like button if you did like it. And check out my other videos. In the meantime, I hope everybody's having a great day. And talk with y'all later. Bye.